Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmer lesson. In our last lesson, we learned the numbers 1 to 5 in Khmer. Today we will learn the numbers 6 to 10. Numbers are very important and useful in everyday life. You can use them when shopping, telling your age, talking about times and much more. Let's begin. First one, number 6. Number 6, in Khmer we say pramoi. Pramoi. Repeat after me. Pramoi. One more time. Pramoi. Yes, very good. Number 7. In Khmer we say prampi. Prampi. Repeat after me. Prampi. Prampi. One more time. Prampi. Yes. And number 8. In Khmer we say prambai. Prambai. Repeat after me. Prambai. One more time. Prambai. Yes, very good. Number 9 is prambun. Prambun. Repeat after me. Prambun. Prambun. One more time. Prambun. And last one, number 10. Number 10 in Khmer we say dop. Dop. Repeat after me. Dop. Dop. One more time. Dop. Let's practice. Now let's count together. Pramoi, prampi, prambai, prambun, dop. Yes, great job. Now let's count faster. Pramoi, prampi, prambai, prambun, dop. Now you can count from 1 to 10 in Khmer. Keep practicing every day. The more you practice, the easier Khmer becomes. Thank you for learning Khmer with Khmer lesson. Don't forget to follow Khmer lesson for more easy Khmer lessons. See you in next lesson. Goodbye. ជម្រាបលា